Nessa Sunshine here, and today we're getting into the new Colourpop Bare Necessities palette. So this is a mega nude palette with the brushes as well. I don't use all the brushes, I use a couple of them. I couldn't find certain brushes that I did need to blend out my shadow, but I did use some. So if you would like to see how I got this wearable look using this beautiful palette, well, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already, and let's get into the tutorial. It's so pretty. I've used it 4 times before. Try to use all the different colors, not all of them, but most of them, and they're really pretty. So I'm gonna do a very light and soft glam look, like extremely light, very wearable. I'm going to be using the new brushes that come with this collection. I'm so excited. These look so pretty in this set. I really like the white brushes they already have with the silver detail, so I'm excited about these. They look super, super pretty. They came out with a lot of brushes, but not a round fluffy brush like they had. So, maybe this one? Let's see, it's just too little for my eye. I will try to use some of the new brushes that come with the Bare Necessities brush collection, but right now I'll be using the Studio Pro 18 blending brush. The first shadow I'll be getting into is Hot Gossip. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blend this in the outer corner of my eye. Oh wow, that was a lot more than I was expecting. I'm sort of moving in circular motions with a little bit of a swipe, if that makes any sense at all. So I'm moving a little bit in a circular motion, and then I'm also swiping. So circle, swipe. And I'm doing it sort of fast, and I'll blend it out over here as well. And then what I'll do is add Hot Gossip on the other side. From the new Colourpop brush collection, I'll be taking this brush number E19. And the shimmer shade I'll be using today is Silk Teddy. I'm starting at the center, and then I'm moving in toward the inner corner. I'm moving all over really, and I'm moving above the crease of my eye, in the crease and above the crease, and I'm taking this perfect little brush, I like it, into the crease and moving it out like that. And then what I'll do is go back in with my 18 brush, if I can find it. Where did it go? I'll take more of Hot Gossip and sort of blend that area right in the center of where the two shadows meet so that everything is sort of diffused. Probably add more of Silk Teddy just to get it to be more pop, 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 and then get that shimmer to pop even more, like that. Wow. So now it's time to add my shimmer to the other side, and then I'll tell you what lashes I'm wearing in just a moment. So at this point, I went ahead and put on mascara. I used the Grande Mascara Lash Boosting Formula. I've been obsessed with this. I think I got it in a BoxyCharm box. I feel like I've had it for maybe 2 or 3 months, not sure. But I really love this, and I've been using it on my natural lashes, and it just is like, ooh, wow, lashes. But it's mascara, so I really, really like it. If you want to wear your lashes with mascara, or you want to wear falsies, you can do either. This is what it looks like with mascara. Very natural, very light, and I really like that. But I'm gonna pop on some lashes on top of it. So this is what it looks like with the regular lashes, and then I'm gonna pop on the Chick Butterfly falsies from their Butterfly 2 collection. So I'm gonna pop these on my eyes. They're in Chick, so I'm gonna do that right now. And yeah, so makeup miracle moment. So this is not the regular makeup miracle moment you may be expecting, but what I am going to do is finish my lower lash line. Since I have powder on, I'm going to contour and blush for another video, but for this video I want to just finish up this, which is gonna be super simple, and then I'll tell you what lip I do put on my lips at the end. So let's get into the under eye. From the new Colourpop brush collection, I'm gonna use the E18 brush, and I'll be going back into Hot Gossip. I'm going to blend it all over the lower lash line. I'm going to use the L1 brush, and I'm going to go into the Shadow Idle Hour, just like that. Add that, and then I'll go ahead and add mascara on when I add my lip, just because I'm going to continue to put powder on my face. But the mascara I'm going to wear today is the Japonesque Amp Up Volumizing Mascara, and I might as well tell you what lip I'm going to wear, and it's the So Juicy Lip Gloss in Let It Happen. And I'll finish my face off camera, a little out of order from our normal makeup miracle moment, but that is okay. It has all your necessity nude shades, neutral shades, and yeah, it's really pretty. There's all the colors that you would probably ever need. There's a variation of light nudes, and then a variation of reds, warm tone, coppers, and then browns, and then cool tones, and mauves, and there's even a nice deep dark black shadow as well. So I really like this palette. I like the size, like the Kathleen Light So Jaded palette. I love that palette. I think it's beautiful, and this is a big palette like that. So this is really cool. There's also a brush collection. It's beautiful. The packaging is really nice. Like the roll is really pretty, and then the brushes are really pretty. There's not a ton of blending brushes. Their E2 brush, I think that's their blending brush. Their E2 brush is really nice for blending, and their E5 brush, the blush brush, I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Yeah. Oh, F5. The F5 brush is a nice blending, huge blending brush. You can compare it to the brush that I use a lot from BH Cosmetics, the 18 brush. These two are big fluffy brushes, and they help me disperse shadow all over the eyelid. So this collection doesn't have something like that, and it doesn't have something like the E2 blending brush, a longer, thicker, regular sized, I would say, blending brush, but it has a lot of other detailed brushes, like a really nice cut crease brush I'm really excited to use, and some nice liner brushes, a nice pencil brush, a nice eyeshadow brush, like flat eyeshadow brush, and they have these pretty, like, cheek brushes. So yeah, so the colors in here are awesome in regards to neutrals. If you don't have enough neutrals, or you're running out of any neutral shadows and you're interested in having all you need, well, there you go. And it's a good gift too if you're thinking about gifting anybody who's starting to get into eyeshadow. And then the eye brush set is nice as well, but it doesn't have, for me, essential blending brushes like the two I mentioned before, the F5 and the E2. Those are two brushes that or certain size brushes that I would need. There's something similar, but it's just not exactly the same. So yeah, it's a beautiful collection. I like the feeling of the brushes as well. The hairs on the brushes are really nice and soft, really, really nice. So yeah, it's a nice collection. If you already have neutral shadows, you already have brushes, is it necessary? No, it is not. So those are just some of my thoughts on this collection. If you did like this video, make sure to like it, subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys next time. Bye! Bye now.